Here is Joe Biden after or right before getting ice cream. I've not pre-screened this, but I'm told that it's a funny clip of some kind. Somehow it's funny. Let's take a look at it together.
I can't imagine anyone voting against the establishment of a commission on the greatest assault since the Civil War on the Capitol. But at any rate, I came for ice cream. That's right.
I love it. I love the ice cream. Ice cream really bridges the gap between what? By the way, I just had one of the best ice creams. This is not an endorsement. Let me see if I can actually find it. Oh, what this was like a perfect flavor. Oh, is this the brand? Nope, this wasn't it. Hold on. Oh, this is it right here. I have never had an ice cream like this. Okay, get ready for a recommendation. This is a huge endorsement I'm making. Breaking. This is the brand right here. I randomly found this. Graeter's Black Cherry Chocolate Chip. I've never experienced anything like this. This is a perfect ice cream. Perfect ice cream. The cherry pieces combined with the chocolate pieces. I know I'm going to anger some people. I don't know the politics of these people. We know Ben and Jerry's, the politics. We know about it. This is better than Cherry Garcia. It's not even close. And I think that there are people who are going to be furious with me over that statement. This is a far better cherry ice cream than Cherry Garcia. It's more perfect than that Ukrainian phone call. Not sponsored. This is not an advertiser, guys. Beautiful ice cream. And for people who care, no gluten in it, no fish, no peanuts, no shellfish, no tree nuts, and no wheat. None of it. Oh, and sweetened with cane sugar. You like to see that. You like to see that. Beet juice for color. Just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant ice cream. Okay? So I learned about that ice cream the other day, and it really cannot be beat.